Good morning, my dear students. Students, we are moving to our next section, part in times. In our early classes, we have discussed parts in different forms. Here, we can discuss fraction in terms of times. Okay, children, shall we? This is my first question. A bottle can hold 1.5 liters of water. 4 such bottles of water is poured into a jar. How much water is there in the jar? From our question, it is clear that a bottle can hold 1.5 liters of water. We need to find out how much water can hold 4 bottles. So, from our previous knowledge, we can directly say that 4 into 1.5. Isn't it? Here, we can do this calculation in 2 methods. One is 1 by 2 is in the mixed fraction form. It means 1 plus 1 by 2 into 4. Each term outside the bracket can be multiplied with the term in the brackets. So, here 4 into 1 plus 4 into half. 4 ones are 4. 4 into half is 2. So, the total liter is 6 liters. This is the method 1. Next method is same. 4 into 1 by 2. Here, the mixed fraction can be converted into fraction. That is, 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Which is equal to 4 into 3 divided by the same denominator here. Here, we do multiply numerator with the whole number plus the numerator part. That is 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. Then we can directly multiply. 4 3s are 12 by 2 is equal to 6 liters. You can do either in these two methods. Which is more useful or which is more easier to you all, you can opt the method. Okay, dears? My next question is, find 3 times of 2 1 by 4. In this section, we are dealing with numbers in terms of times. Okay, so here we need to find out 3 times of 2 1 by 4. In our previous question, I have said 2 methods of solving these kinds of problems. Here we want to find out 3 times of 2 1 by 4. Here I use the second method. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 by 4. Which is equal to 9 3s are 27 by 4. This is the fraction. Here we can convert the fraction into mixed fraction. Same denominator and the numerator part should be 3. The whole number 6. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3, 27. The fraction part. Okay, children, this is my next question. Find 3 half times of 2 quarter. Okay, find 3 half times of 2 quarter. From our question, we know that we want to find out 3/2 of 2/4. Here it's a mixed fraction, so we can convert into fraction. 7/2 multiplied with 9/4. You all know about fraction multiplication. 9 sevens are 63, 4 twos are 8. Here we can convert this into mixed fraction by 63 divided by 8. 7 eights are 56. The remainder is 7. So the answer part should be here and 8 in the denominator part. This is the way how we convert fraction into mixed fraction. Okay. My next question. 1/2 meters of cloth is needed for a shirt. How much cloth is needed for 5 such shirts? One shirt needed is given in our problem. It's 1.5 meters of cloth is needed for one shirt. We want to find out how much cloth is needed for 5 shirts. Here we need to multiply 5 into 1/2. We can convert this into mixed fraction, that is mixed fraction into fraction. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. That is 5 into 3/2, which is equal to 50/2. When we convert this fraction into mixed fraction, it will become 7 1/2 meters. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 1, 15. But denominator part should be same. 7 1/2 meter is needed for 5 shirts. Moving to next question. The price of 1 kilogram of okra is 30 rupees. What is the price of 2/2 kilogram of okra? We can, from our question, we have 1 kilogram of okra price is 30 rupees. And we need to find out what is the price of 2.5 kilogram of okra. Here we can calculate like this. 30 into 2/2, which is equal to 30 into 5/2 equals 150/2 is equal to 75. Oh, we can calculate it in mind also without any mathematical reasoning. 1 kilo is 30 rupees. Then for 2 kilo, it should be 60 rupees, isn't it? Then, what's the price of half kilo? It's 50. A man walks on. This is my last question. A man walks 1.5 kilometers in 1 hour. How many kilometers does he walk in 1.5 hours at this speed? From our question, we can derive at this. 1.5 kilometers was walked within 1 hour. Then half hour can be walked in 3/4 kilometer. That is 3/4 kilometer. Okay. Then here we need to find out 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours he walked kilometer. So in 1 hour he can walk 1.5. In half hour he can walk 3/4. It is the grand total of 1/1.5 hours. When we add this, we get 2/4 kilometer that he walked in 1.5 hours. Okay, children. Children, this is your work. Question number 1. Ronnie has 36 stamps. Zahira says she has 2 1/4 times as much. Then, how many stamps does she have? Question number 2. Some terms are given. Calculate the following. First question, 4 times of 5 1/3. Next, 4 1/3 times of 5. Next, 1 1/2 times of 2/3. Next, 2/5 of 2 1/2. Next, 2 half of 5 half. Last, 4 1/3 of 4 1/2. Okay, children, let's conclude our video session. We can interact in your class group interaction. Thank you all.